Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model MRW-200H-2B3. Let's get started. This is a sports watch that offers reliability and functionality. It uses a quartz mechanism that ensures precise timekeeping. The watch is made of durable materials, including a sturdy plastic case and strap, making it resistant to everyday impacts and wear. The case width is 44 mm, and the watch weighs 39 grams. It is water resistant up to 100 meters, making it ideal for swimming. It features a day and date function. The glass is made of plastic and has a rotating bezel. The battery lasts approximately around 3 years. The blue dial looks nice, what do you think? Do you like this Casio watch model? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.